Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new Nadine West unboxing for you, and I am so excited because this is a really stuffed looking package and I can't wait to see what's inside. So if you're interested in knowing what came in my Nadine West box this month, stay tuned. So here it is, and I feel like there's a lot of stuff in here. So let's see what's inside. And if you are not familiar with Nadine West, they are a clothing and accessory subscription box, and so you sign up and you fill out a little survey about the types of clothing that you like and the types of accessories that you like, and then they surprise you with a package full of stuff. And if you like any of it, you pay for what you keep, and what you don't like you can send back. And I actually have a code down below that you can use, and it will waive your shipping so that you won't be out anything. If you decide you don't like anything, you could just send it all back and it's free. So let's see what I got this month. They come in these cute little bundles. Now I don't know if you can tell, but I am 31 weeks pregnant, which is why I'm out of breath. And they don't have a maternity option, but everything that I have received has been super stretchy and flowy. I've made sure to mention in my notes that I am pregnant. So let's see. And then I know there's a paper in here that's going to tell me, this is the packing slip. This is the packing slip, so if there's anything you don't want to keep, you can return it. And then this also tells me everything that came in here and the prices. So let's see what this is. This looks like a hat. It's a hat. Cute. Alright, let's see. Other. $10.99. I'm assuming it's the thing listed as other. Surrette. Assorted. Cute. It has some kind of little label on it here. Don't know what that is. Well, I just did my hair, but now I'm curious to know what this looks like on my head. I usually wait to try things on at the end. But I love hats. I want to see. Oh, this is actually really cute. Like slouchy little beanie hat. Oh, I really like it. Oh, it would be perfect for like the day before it's time to wash my hair. I love hats. So that's cute, and it's like very like soft and knit. Cute, cute, cute. $10.99. Okay, this is, let's see. Oh, there's earrings in here. This is a skirt. Oh, and that's really stretchy. It's a size medium. That is really cute. Oh, that will definitely fit me right now. Fit over my bump. Yay! I like that a lot. I'm assuming this is something floral. Bottoms. It's black, so it's called Lynn Black, and it looks like it's $15.49. That's an extremely good price, and it's super stretchy. I don't know if you can see the print really good from there, but super stretchy. Definitely think that'll fit me. These are the earrings. I always get an accessory, and I'm not really picky about gold or silver. Those are really pretty. I like those. So I think I got these from them too. I'm really into kind of like simple. I mean, I guess those are big, so they're not necessarily simple, but I'm into like just kind of plain earrings these days, like bigger ones or cute little spirals and things like that. So everything that they've sent me I've really liked. Now this looks like a shirt. Oh, it's a dress. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the zippers. Can you see the zipper detail on the shoulder? Does it actually work? It does. Interesting. Okay, that is super cute. It looks a little bit sheer, so it's definitely something I'll have to wear like a long cami under, but it's really long. And it looks exactly like the style of a LuLaRoe Julia, if you like LuLaRoe stuff. That'll be so cute over my bump. And then it'll be cute for afterwards too. I kind of like, that's what I like a lot about them, is everything I've gotten is stuff I can wear now and then wear later as well. How much is that? Kelis, K-E-L-I-S, navy and red, $32.99. So that is really cute. Gosh, this bag is chock full of stuff. Here's another one. Another little fluff of stuff. Okay. Oh, that's really cute. So this is a really soft, like heathered hoodie with like a lace detail on the little pocket on the front. That is adorable. It looks like it might be kind of short, but it would be really cute to wear with leggings. I mean, short for now because everything has to be long. But I think with like a longer t-shirt and leggings, that would be really cute. That's a large. The tag says heart and hips plush sweater knit. If you can see that. Top fuzzy hoodie pink, $29.49. So that's a good price. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it has buttons on the sleeves. Oh, and they're like kind of puffy sleeves. That is so cute. Both sides. Miley and Molly is the brand. So large. And that's another one that looks kind of short. I don't think that'll go down over my bump right now, but I think we can layer this really well. That is super cute. That is top Letitia in olive, and it is $39.49. So that looks like it's the most oh wait, no, $30.49. Okay, it's still the most expensive thing in the bag though, which is kind of surprising because you would think that that super cute dress would be more expensive than that top, but the material is really, really soft, so I can see it. And there's more. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is probably the best package I've got in terms of how much stuff is in here. Let me tell you guys, it's hard to sit forward like with your legs crossed when you're this pregnant. Whew. Okay, this is velvet. What is this? These are velvet leggings. Oh my gosh. Those are so cute. They are show and they are size large. But they look, I mean, these must be like kind of like junior sizing. Do not look large. There's the tag. These are stretchy, and like this is a really thick waistband, so I might be able to wear these right now. Leggings are super hit or miss. Like I'm actually wearing a pair of Nadine West leggings right now that fit me really good still, but it's kind of hit or miss. Bottoms, carrot colleen burgundy, $15.99. So those are a good price. And then I think this is the last thing. And it is a button-down plaid shirt, red and navy. Oh, you know what? Earlier when I said that dress, I got these mixed up because that was navy and red too. So the dress was called Gianna in navy and it was $29.99. And this shirt is called Kelly's, K-E-L-I-S, and it's $32.99. So that dress is still cheaper. I'm just shocked by that. This is really cute. I love button-down shirts. Super easy to mix and match and like wear over a dress and belt it and just do all kinds of things with it. So that's so cute. Holy cow. So I got a pair of leggings, 3 tops, a dress, a skirt, and a hat, and a pair of earrings. That is a big haul. That's a lot of stuff. I am so excited right now. Alright, so let's see if I can mix and match all of these things together without using any other clothes from my closet to try them all on. Because I really feel like I just got like a mini capsule wardrobe. Other than like maybe the velvet leggings that you wouldn't want to wear with everything. But this stuff looks like it will all kind of mix and match together. So let's see. Struggle is real, my friends. Okay, I adore this top. As I said, it's a little bit short, but I have it on with the floral skirt, which comes all the way up to here, way over my bump, as you can see. So I think this is actually really cute together. The skirt is nice and long. Doesn't ride up or move around. I kind of love this. And this will be cute after I have the baby as well. I want to make sure you all see the detail here on the sleeves. I love that. I really like that they're kind of poofy. I think that's super cute. So this top is really, really soft. Like super soft. And it's like a heathered purple pink color. Really like it. And the cute little hoodie part of it. So it just kind of fits over my bump. There's a cute little pocket here. And just kind of fits enough over leggings where I would feel comfortable wearing it with just leggings. Definitely like this because of how soft and comfy it is. And I don't know if you saw the earrings, but they're really, really pretty, very simple, and can go with pretty much anything. So those are kind of like the earrings that I'm into right now, so perfect for me. So this top fits. It doesn't come down as far as I thought it did over my bump, but it still fits. It has kind of a gap right here, so I may need to wear a tank top under it. But I do like it a lot. Alright, I adore this dress. I think this detail is so, so cute. And so it does unzip here. I don't know if, like, I don't know if it's meant to be worn like that or what, but I think it's really cute either way. So I had a hard time getting it on. It is very, very tight. But I do believe it'll be perfect for when I have had the baby. So I got it on. I don't know if I can get it off. It's definitely very cute though. Very, here's my bump everyone, as long as the seams don't split down the side. So thank you all so much for watching. I am obsessed with everything that came in my package this month. The burgundy or maroon colored velvet leggings are so cute, but they are not gonna fit right now. I'm debating. I can't part with them. I love them. Like, I will get back to that size, but it's not gonna be right now. This dress, even though it's super tight, I still adore it. So I love everything that came this time, and I have never had such a jam-packed, full of awesome stuff Nadine West package. Like, I love it all. Okay, I'm gonna quit gushing about it. I'm also super out of breath because I'm always out of breath. So thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you will stay tuned for my other videos. If you have not subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button and watching my other videos. I love doing unboxing videos and grocery hauls and cleaning videos and just all of that kind of mommy vlogger stuff. You know what it is. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.